my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share my experience with IndiGo online interview for cabin crew. I will also show you how you can apply for cabin crew online drive step by step. Since I have applied myself, I will be sharing my journey and some useful tips with you. So let's get into the video. First, let me tell you how I applied for IndiGo online drive. The process is quite simple and I will tell you. First, open your browser and search for IndiGo Careers. Click on the official website. Once you are on the home page, scroll down and look for hiring events. Then click on Explore Now. Here you will see different job criteria. Choose in-flight services cabin crew. This will show you the walk-in drive calendar, but on the top you will also notice the options for in-flight services online drive. Click on that. It will take you to another website called Unstop. Since I have already applied, my page looks little different, but don't worry, I will walk you through the process. First, sign up as a candidate and create your profile. Fill all the details they ask for carefully. Once your profile is complete, log in and click apply. You will be asked for your Aadhaar number and phone number. After verification, you will receive a confirmation email and even a WhatsApp message from Unstop. Sometimes the interview mail may take 3 to 4 days to arrive, so don't panic. Prepare yourself well. Before applying, make sure you check your eligibility criteria and details properly. My suggestion: always use laptop or PC for interview. If you try it on your mobile, the process may stuck in the middle or cause issues. Also, have a strong and stable internet connection. And that's the complete process for applying to IndiGo online interview. That's my application and chat process. Now let me tell you how the actual interview went and what kind of questions they asked me. One important thing to remember before discussing about the questions: please do not re-record yourself. The interview going to be only 10 minutes in total and each question has only 1 minute to answer. Usually there are 5 questions, 4 in English, 1 in Hindi. If you make a mistake or stop in the middle, you cannot re-record until the 1 minute timer is finished. This will waste your time, and if you keep re-recording one question again and again, you may run out of time for the rest of the questions. So the best way to answer these questions is prepare well before attempt. And the first question is, what does your friend do that makes you laugh and feel happy? I just answered all these questions short and simple because I don't have much time, just 10 minutes for submitting that. What were you doing yesterday at this time? Third question, compare any two cities you have visited and what made one more memorable than other. This is the third question they asked me. And fourth question, had you been born in different country or culture, how do you think your values might differ? To the fourth question. And coming to the fifth question, Hindi question, you have to answer it in Hindi. आपके लिए सबसे अच्छा छुट्टी का दिन क्या होता है? So I'm not saying these are the exact questions they are gonna ask you in your interview. I'm saying these questions because you will get an idea what type of questions they're gonna ask you. Okay? So these are the questions I faced in IndiGo online interview. If you are practicing, please don't just practice few questions. Improve your overall communication, speak confidently, and practice positive body language and smile naturally. Okay? If you think this video is helpful for you, please do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.